What's going on YouTube? Here's how I made $3,700 trading the Nasdaq this morning on this beautiful short position copy trading across three XFAs. Very good day. Okay, took this trade at 9:45. I've been noticing lately the move has been, you know, just ten minutes before 9:30, right? Because 9:30 can be very volatile. But the 10 a.m. session, I think anybody can say this, has been fucking cooked, right? It's been fucking patched, right? But nevertheless, I'm gonna break down to you guys market analysis and how I caught 36 points to the downside trading the Nasdaq this morning. Very good day. All right, guys. Here's the recap. Market opened at 9:30. We have London's highs and London's lows, as well as these data highs around here that also got swept. All right, I'm not interested in taking a trade before we have a sweep of this highs, this lows, right? As well as these data highs. All right, I need to get a liquidity sweep before I enter position, as I described in the video before this one. All right, guys. So I market opening. I am waiting for price to present me the first percent of liquidity sweep, which in this case was London. Right, price is very volatile. We swept London and then immediately swept these data highs. All right around here. Okay, these data highs from May 21st. All right, we swept London's highs and then we immediately swept those data highs for May 21st. Right, so I have two liquidity sweeps. I am expecting a reversal in price action from this point forward. After we swept these data highs, all I'm simply waiting for is a change in the state of delivery and an inverse fair value gap. As you guys can see, we completely inversed this 1 minute bullish fair value gap that was holding price up. Strong close below it because the change in the state of delivery was, relatively strong and significant. I entered right at this minor retest. As you guys can see right around here, if I zoom in, price created another 1 minute imbalance with bearish order flow, a bearish FEG right around here in the 1 minute. After we inverse this one, retested it, and with a lot of momentum, push further down. I targeted just a swing low, internal liquidity, opposing liquidity, and I caught 36 points to the downside with two contracts. Moving forward, I will scale out of position at the internal low and then possibly objectively, right, such as today, leave a runner run to this external draw being London's low. But this is how I took the trade, and this is how I made three banderinos for the fucking day. All right, boys. Very good day. Very good day. 36 points. Again, if you've been watching my videos, you know that this is the algorithm that I catch. This is the edge that I capitalize on, and today market delivered it to the T. Okay, I want to keep this nice, quick, and short. 36 points to the downside across all my accounts. All right, boys. We are back. We are back and we are fully loaded. I'm gonna give you guys a quick performance stats look so you guys see where the trenches are at. And yeah, pretty good. Can't complain, you know. Payout coming soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will catch you guys on the next one. All right. Let's fucking go. Peace.